Thanks, Mike. You know, hundreds, maybe thousands of people work to make this bridge a reality. Multiple levels of government, private sector, and you came together, citizens, to demand that we invest in infrastructure, and now we got a premier bridge spanning the Mississippi, connecting our community. I'm so proud of it. I'm so proud of it, and I want you to know that I was there with Amy that day when we were standing on the banks of the Mississippi just a few miles that way, and our hearts were heavy. And Amy did say, bridges should not fall down in America. And that moment sparked a commitment for us to rebuild our country. And I'm so proud that this bridge is one symbol, one example of how we're going to do that. And we got to stick together, because if we build bridges like this one all over this nation, we will put America back to work. We will improve the productivity of our country, and we will make this country great beyond the imagination of the people who founded it. And I'm telling you right now, most of the infrastructure we drive on these days was made by our grandparents. We have a responsibility to the next generation to build bridges like this one. And I want to one day look my grandchildren in the eye and say, I was there when we dedicated that bridge. And it is for you. And where's that little guy at, Amy? Will, this bridge is your bridge, man. This is your bridge. It's all of our bridge. Be proud of it. Have a great day, everybody.